Hi everybody, and welcome to your first spellings session for this week. We're going to be looking at some of our phonics families to help us again. So it's a bit of revision and it's a bit of new spelling thinking. Okay, so today's session is all about the J family. So can you say that sound at home? J. Okay. And I want to know today, first of all, which words you can think of that have that phoneme in them. Now, there are different ways of spelling those words, but that's part of today, is to have a bit of an explore and really kind of get our brains thinking about that spelling. So I'm just going to share that phonics family for us. You can see what they look like and remember who's in the family. So we've got a few different ways of spelling that sound. J on its own, little girl J, like in jelly. We've got daddy J, like in germ. We've got mummy J, like in hedge. And we've got brother J, like in orange. So how can you spell that? How can you spell it? All those different ways. Like I said, first of all, I'd like you to think of all the words you possibly can with that phoneme in them. If you're struggling at all, I've uploaded these pictures for you to think about what is in them. I think this one's quite obvious, and this one is fudge. This one is a picture of a village. This little animal is a gerbil. I think we can probably figure out the rest for ourselves. So today's session is about thinking about as many words as you can, thinking about how they are spelled, and then, importantly, I want you to try and think about any patterns that you notice. And that's why I've given you this sheet as well. On this page, you'll see lots of J words, and you might want to start looking at them to help you as well and think about which patterns you can see. So you have two challenges today in your spellings lesson. Number one, think of as many J words as you possibly can, and you've got some pictures there to help you if you run out of ideas from your head. And number two, come up with a rule or a pattern that you notice to help you spell the sound in a certain way. Which letter comes first? Is there a certain family member comes first? Is there a certain family member who comes at the end or always in the middle? Do we follow short vowel sounds? Do we come before a long vowel sound? What can you notice? I'm not going to give you any help on that one today. I want to see what you can come up with. You are brilliant at your phonics and your spelling. We will continue with this family tomorrow. So any patterns or rules that you think of today, jot them down on a piece of paper or in your home learning book, and we will use them again tomorrow. Okay, good luck, year two, and I'll look forward to seeing what you send in. Bye-bye.